followed by the presentation of Bodo.
UNBT आरो एबसुजों खुंफुंजानाय 22थि उपेन्द्रनाथ ब्रह्म सुबुंखान्थि फायखि बान्थाखौ दिनै बड'लेण्ड इउनिभार्सिटिनि अडिट'रियाम हलाव बान्था मोनगिरि भुटान हादोरनि रानि बिमा दर्जिम वांमो वांचुकनो दिनै बान्थाखौ गथायनाय जाबाय। बे बान्था गथायनाय हाबाफारियाव गाहाय आलासि महरै बाहागो लादों आसामनि रायजो बेंगिरि लक्ष्मण प्रसाद आचार्यआ आरो लोगोसेनो जोंनि बिटिसिनि गाहाय गोरा दैदेनगिरि चिफ मिनिस्टार मानगोनां हाग्रामा महिलारी सार आरो बिटिआरनि गाहाय दैदेनगिरि मानगोनां प्रमद बर' सार, दुलाराय बर' फरायसा आफादनि गाहाय गोरा दैदेनगिरि मानगोनां दिपेन बर' सार आरो आसामनि केबिनेट मन्त्रि उर्खाव गोरा ब्रह्म सार आरो बिथांमोनजों लोगोसे गुबुन गुबुन आफादनि दैदेनगिरि बिथांमोनखौबो बे हाबाफारियाव जयै नुनो मोनदों। नोंथांमोना नायलांनो हागोन।
Followed by the presentation of citation by Dr. Dimasa Bengal Misari, UPPL Brahma Trust. Next we have medical presentation by Honorable Governor of Assam, the Chief Guest to Her Majesty the Queen Mother, the memento the statue of Bodo, followed by next I call upon for the presentation of Bodo tradition. Next we have a traditional musical instrument to be presented by Honorable Hagrama Mahilary. We now present the last and only the rhino as a symbol of pride of Assam by the former CEM of Mother.
I feel very happy today, terribly honored to receive this very prestigious award. And I'm here with, yes, His Excellency, the Governor of Assam, and here we have. I really feel a deep connection with the people of Bodoland, the Bodos, and the Assamese at large. So, as I go home now today, I take back all the love that I've received, and I will carry that love back to all the Bhutanese who will love you even more. Thank you.
Ma'am, this is both countries are the traditional friend center. Can you say something about the Prime Minister Modi's initiative for the strengthening of this friendliness between the both countries? Can you
Yes, yes. I think this is really, a start, because everything starts from people to people, whether it's from Prime Minister to Prime Minister, from our King, basically, who has the highest of love and respect for your people here. And everything starts from people to people. A day like this, a connection like this. So right from the top to all of us here, I think the connection has been made for, greater friendship between our two countries and two peoples.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.